Valley, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey. This includes the city of Camden, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Ocean County in southern New Jersey. This includes the city of Toms River until 9 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending across extreme southeastern Pennsylvania and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Beckett around 7:45 p.m., Swedesboro, Riverside, Paulsboro, and Palmyra around 7:50 p.m., Mullica Hill, West Deptford, and Crosswicks around 7:55 p.m., Pittman around 8 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Thursday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 1 a.m. Friday morning for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, and Ocean. This is NOAA Weather Radio.